Recommendations and precautions. To select an appropriate site to install the Eternity PE system. The site should be well ventilated, moisture and dust free, and not exposed to direct sunlight, heat, excessive cold or humidity. The site should be at equal distance from all the extensions to simplify cabling network and reduce cabling costs. For easy preventive and corrective tasks, you should install system at a height of at least 3.5 feet from the ground. You should install the system away from any source of electromagnetic noise such as any radio equipment, heavy transformers, etc. Never place the system near a water source like a wash bowl, kitchen sink, or in a wet basement. Select a site which is free from dust, oil, corrosive fumes, etc. Avoid a place near high-frequency generating devices such as electric welder, microwave oven. The Eternity PE system works with the input voltage ranging from 100 to 240 volt AC. The input voltage is to be isolated from the other heavy electrical loads like air conditioners, motors, etc. Proper earthing protects the system from lightning strikes, static discharges, electrical transients, and any other electrical hazards. So you should always provide a dedicated telecom earth to the PBX and other telecom equipments. There are many ways of providing telecom earth. One of the way is this. Select the location of the earth pit. Dig a pit of 4 feet length into 4 feet breadth into 7 feet depth. Get a copper plate of size 2 feet into 2 feet into 3 mm thick. Connect a copper strip of 25 mm into 3 mm at the center of the copper plate with SS bolts to run the earth wire or cable. This copper strip should be of sufficient length so that sufficient portion of the strip is available to connect the earth wire at the ground level. Attach galvanized iron pipe to copper plate with SS bolts. This pipe is required for watering of the earth pit in future. Fill the pit with mixture of charcoal and salt up to 4 feet height from the bottom of the pit. Fill the remaining portion of the earth pit with black soil. As shown in figure, a brick chamber is required to cover the portion of the GI pipe coming out from the earth pit above the ground level. This chamber must have cover which will protect foreign bodies and debris entering the chamber and further in earth pit. Water the earth at regular intervals. Connect industrial standard multi-core 4 square mm cable on the top of the copper strip and connect it to the bus bar. Bus bar is a copper strip with screws and nuts mounted on it. It should be fixed on a wall in the room where system is mounted.